Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine Roma here, and today I'm going to be doing a video sharing my absolute slays of the month of April. If you want to see what my slays for the month of April were, then keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing that I've been absolutely loving this entire month, this Base Magique primer. This is by L'Oreal Paris. I actually tried this out for the first time in my L'Oreal Paris video, and this primer is like amazing. See, I've already used quite a lot of it. It's such a nice smoothing primer, and every time I put it on, my makeup looks amazing every time. Also, it like blurs your pores as well. A bit more up there for drugstore. It is about 30 Australian dollars, I think, but I got it for half price at Chemist Warehouse. It was about $15, but honestly it is so worth your money. This primer is really great. I haven't had that much luck with other drugstore primers, but this one I've been loving. It is a smoothing primer. It just creates like the perfect flawless base for your makeup to go on to. Next product that I've been absolutely loving this month is the Huda Beauty No Filter Foundation. It is really nice. It does have a really nice smell to it. Like, it's a very floral scent, and I just love the coverage of this, and I love the finish of it. It looks absolutely beautiful. This is a really high coverage foundation. I absolutely love it. I've been mixing it with some of my less full coverage foundations, like my Too Faced Born This Way, so I get that coverage, but I still get not like such a cakey look. I look like more natural in a way, but like full coverage. The next thing I've absolutely been loving this entire month is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. It's so beautiful. Again, I tested this out in one of my videos. Been using it like non-stop, and look how beautiful the shades are. I have kind of dug into quite a few shades already. It's really so beautiful. Like, I love them, and the mattes are so nice. Create like a full look using this palette. I gravitate usually towards the neutrals, like the gold ones. I have played with Rich Girl and Dripping Diamonds. I use them as an inner corner highlight, and they are so pigmented. Like, I'll just do a little swatchy. So if you want to check out the full review and swatches of this palette, then go ahead and check that out. It's really good. It smells amazing too. It smells like chocolate. This is one of my new favorites from Too Faced. If you've loved their chocolate bar palettes in the past, then you'll definitely love this one. It's just like a bit more extra in a way. You can use it to create neutral looks, but you can also use it to create like looks for going out, like really glam looks. And the metallics in here are amazing. Like, even without using glitter glue, these metallics are beautiful, and they stay on all through the night. They're amazing, so go check it out. One thing that I didn't think I was gonna like, and I actually, when I tested it out in the video, this is the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artiste Expert. This is like a eyebrow pencil. Looks like the Goof Proof eyebrow pencil from Benefit, which I have used. That was one of my favorites. I ran out of that, and I wanted to try out a different eyebrow pencil just to try and save a bit of money. This is really great. Honestly, this eyebrow pencil is awesome. I've been loving it so much. The spool is really great as well. Another thing I tested out this month is the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I've been really loving this because it's so moisturizing, and it's cooling as well. It's got coconut water in it, and it's just so nice and nourishing for the skin. I've actually ran out. Like, I just love this stuff. It's so good, so nice, stays on long. It's got a tackiness to it, so the foundation like clings to it. One is a must, and I've got to go get another one. Now on to the skincare part is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel. This stuff is awesome. I've been trying it out for a while now. This is my favorite. This is my absolute favorite cleanser. I actually splurged, and I got the jumbo size because I literally go through that much of it. So I bought this like I think 2 months ago, and it still lasts me. I think I've still got like heaps left, so it's really good. It also dissolves your makeup. If you have a full face, if you've baked, you've got everything on your face, this dissolves it. Even when I try to like take it off with any other cleanser, won't come off. This stuff dissolves it. Like, it just melts it. Yeah, it's really good, and I love it so much. It's got a pump, and I keep this in the shower. I use it morning, night, and my skin has actually been really good since using it. Like, it has cleared up my skin a lot. It cleans it, like it gets into the pores and cleans it. My skin has been really nice. since using this, so definitely recommend it. It's 10.14 fluid ounces in there, so you do get a lot. It's about 55 Aussie dollars, I'm pretty sure. So the next skincare product I've been loving is the Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. As you can see, it is like a gel. It's really nice. Put some on now. It's good because I have oily skin, so I like to use a gel moisturizer. It's so nice, and it just really hydrates your skin without making it oily. I put this on morning and night, and it's really nice. And it smells like orange as well. I got this from Mecca. Slay of my skincare products is the Sand and Sky face mask, probably seen all over Instagram. It is the Brilliant Skin Detoxify and Brighten Purifying Pink Clay Mask. Stuff is so good. I've been using it heaps. I'm nearly out. A really good face mask, and it just brightens your whole skin. It just like it kind of fizzles, like you can feel it working its magic. When you put it on, it goes on like a purpley shade, but then it dries down to be kind of like white. It's been like a lot brighter since using it. My pores have been not as clogged. It's been so good for my skin, and I do this try to do this like once a week, and yeah, it's really great, so definitely recommend it. And this is an Australian brand also, and this is made in Australia too, which is great. Another thing that I've been loving is the Real Techniques Diamond Sponge. I think this is from their new range, but I thought like, oh, look at the shape of it, like it's all got different shapes, and I use it for baking. Like I pack on the translucent powder with that side like that, and then I also pack it on like that, and then blending on my foundation, just bounce that, and it's a great alternative to the beauty blender. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click the like button, and let me know what you have been loving this month. What beauty products, drugstore, high-end, whatever. Let me know. I want to know what you've been loving. Leave it in the comment section below. Bye, Glam Fam.